done with him. Don't get started with me. Keep the nice one. Get up. Get up.
Yeah, you was nice one.
No, he wasn't.
On January 15th, 2025, police officers were dispatched in reference to a battery.
Okay, what happened, guys?
I don't know what's going on.
Sir, do you need any medical help?
Am I bleeding?
A little bit right here. Do you need it?
Can you tell him why I'm bleeding?
I don't know. I was talking to this
What
lady
happened?
over there. I don't know what's going on.
She could tell you or
I don't know what's going
Are
on.
you guys together? You're like
Yeah, we are together.
husband and wife?
We're not husband
Boyfriend
and
and
wife.
girlfriend?
boyfriend, girlfriend.
Okay.
Cody.
So, sir, do you need any medical?
Did I do something to you?
You need to say yes or no. You know.
Do you want me to go to jail?
Please.
No, I don't want you to go to jail, but I want you to tell him
What
what
did I
happened.
do?
I don't know.
I
Tell
don't
him what
know
happened.
what I did.
Can you tell him what happened? Because I don't know what happened.
Maybe I don't know what I did.
Sir, do you need medical help? Yes or no? Can you answer my question
Am I
first?
bleeding?
Just a little bit right here. I can take a picture.
You need
Yeah.
medical help?
Ma'am, I'll ask you to stay right there.
Can you go over there?
Ma'am, just wait right there. It's not too much. You just
Can you go over there?
right here. You have a little bit. It's not too much. It's a little bit. It's up to you. But I just need to ask
Do you have an ice pack? Go. Can you go
No,
over there?
no. I can call an ambulance for ice pack. We don't have ice packs. You want an ice pack?
I just need some paper.
Okay, there's somebody else coming to give you, but do you need a medical help?
No, I don't need a paper. I just need a piece of paper.
Okay, we're gonna bring this paper. Can you tell me what happened?
I remember. I think I bumped into the wall when I came around the corner.
Okay.
But I just need a thing.
Yeah.
And I think they got the people. They're
No,
gone,
the thing
but
is,
they got worried when it happened because I started bleeding a lot.
Okay. So because they told us that you
I
guys
don't know what
were
they said.
fighting. Why don't I just stay here? Okay, so we're clear. You both are detained. You're not free to leave. Okay.
That's
So
okay.
we can do this.
That's okay.
We can do it this way. All right.
Yeah, no, it's okay.
No worries. Listen, I just work with security there.
That's okay.
The
It's okay.
officers,
I
they're
bumped
coming.
into the.
No worries.
Yes.
No worries.
From what I remember, I bumped into the wall
Okay.
because I drank too much at the other place.
All right. Sir, I need to see your ID,
Yes.
please. And ma'am, as well yours. Ma'am, I need to see your ID.
I'm from Massachusetts.
That's fine. Thank you very much. Ma'am, I need to see your driver license, please. So listen, like, you guys not in any trouble, but we just need to, because we get a call, we need to figure out what
It's
happened.
okay.
That's why you guys not free to leave, right?
Yeah, I
Hopefully
drank too
it's
much.
nothing, but
I drank too much and I bumped into
All right.
the wall with
Thank you
my
very much.
face.
Okay. All right. I'm just gonna wait to other officers,
It's okay.
and they're gonna do everything. Okay. No worries. No, not yet, ma'am.
Why not?
Because
Wait till he's
ma'am,
done.
you are
Wait, just-
detained. You're not free to leave.
Calma.
Same as him.
Tranquilo.
You're not free to leave. You
What
must
did I
stay
do
here,
bad?
Tranquilo.
ma'am.
I didn't do
Ma'am,
anything wrong.
ma'am,
Tranquilo,
ma'am,
tranquilo.
You
stop,
did this!
ma'am.
I
It's
want
okay.
my ID
If
back.
you're gonna yell,
It's okay.
yell
He's
one
not-
more time,
she's not-
I'm gonna
Why
put
did
you
you-
in handcuffs. Are you
Why?
clear?
She's not
Are
gonna
we
yell.
clear?
Why?
See, she's not gonna
¿Por
yell.
qué?
Hey,
¿Por qué? No me
hey, she's not
toques.
gonna yell. I'm not
No me
gonna.
toques.
Listen,
Porque
I'm
me vas a
gonna
tocar.
repeat.
She's not.
Porque
I'm
me vas a
gonna
tocar.
repeat. I'm gonna repeat
Déjame.
myself.
Yes.
¿Por qué?
Yes.
I'm not
¿Por
gonna
qué?
Ma'am, I'm gonna put in handcuffs.
Shut up.
Let him repeat.
¿Por qué?
Because
We're
you are
listening.
detained.
Háblame
Your officer said, I don't speak
en
Spanish.
español.
Let him
I
repeat
don't speak
himself.
Spanish.
¿Por
and
qué
then
no? Shut up.
Let him repeat himself, and then we're listening. We can.
Shut up.
We're listening.
Ma'am,
If you.
Shut up.
We're
You did
listening.
this!
No.
Put your hands behind your back.
A mí no me tocas.
Please. Repeat
A mí no
yourself.
me
Give us
tocas.
one more chance. One more chance. Please. Give me one more chance. Please. I hear you. No, I hear you.
A mí no me
No,
tocas.
stop. Please, I
Pendejo.
hear you. Please tell her one more. No, one more chance. No, stop resisting.
¿Por
No.
qué me tocas?
Please.
¿Por qué me tocas?
I'm back. Please give us one
¿Por
more
qué me
chance.
tocas?
Tell
Stand
us.
back.
Yes. Please tell us one more time.
Stand back.
I'm back.
¿Qué?
Please.
Stand back.
¿Por qué
Don't
me
listen to her.
tocas?
I'm listening. Please, one more time.
¿Por
Tell
qué me
her one more
tocas?
time. Lucia.
Put
Do
your
it.
hands.
Lucia, please listen one
Put your
more.
hands behind
Do
your
it.
back.
We're listening. Put your hands behind your back.
Put
Listen,
your hands behind
it.
your back.
You think
listen
I'm
one more
scared?
time, please. We're listening.
Put
We're listening.
Why
We're listening.
Put your hands behind your back.
Sir, sir.
No.
Yes,
Put
they're
your hands
behind her
behind
back.
her back.
They are. They are. We're
Stand
listening.
back.
We're listening.
Stand back.
They're behind her back. We're listening.
Stand back.
Why?
Put your
We're
hands
listening.
behind your
They
back
are,
now.
They are. Sir, we are listening. We respect you.
Stand
We
back.
They are behind her back. Sir, sir. They are behind her back. We are listening. Please. We are listening. They're behind her back.
All right.
We are listening. I promise you. I will get down on my
Golovanov.
knees. Please.
Wait, why? You just
Please.
pass me. We're next to stop
Yes,
sign.
we are
Golovanov.
listening.
Mention the wall.
Sir.
Golovanov.
Sir.
Put your hands behind
Why?
your back.
We are. They are. They are.
Put
They
your
are.
hands
They are. They
behind
are.
your
They are.
back.
They are. They are.
Ma'am,
They are behind her back.
put your hands
They
behind
are.
your back now.
They are. Put your hands.
Put your hands
They are.
behind
They
your
are.
back.
They are. Yes, they
Stand
are.
back. Stand back.
Lucia, put.
Put your hands behind your back.
Get on the ground! Get all the way on the ground right now! Lay down on the ground! You want to get tased?
I've been there.
Lay down on the ground.
I'm down.
Come to the entrance to the parking lot. We're just to the east. Don't move. Put your other hand behind your back.
Yes, sir. Can you grab my wallet, please?
Don't worry about your wallet now.
I'm a little worried, but I'm not resisting. Can you grab that? Thank you. Appreciate it. Are you done now?
Sit down.
I'm.
Turn over. Go on your side and sit on your butt.
My side or my butt?
Right there.
You're just talking to them.
No, you weren't.
Shut up.
No, you weren't.
Don't. Can we talk to me
are you
instead
gonna
of?
Don't kick. Don't kick. Don't kick.
What are you gonna do?
Don't kick.
What are you gonna do? Mother-
In that car
What are you
because I'm
gonna
done
do?
with you.
Yeah, I'm done with you.
Don't kick, man. You done with him. Don't kick. Starting with me. He's the nice one. Get up. Get up.
Yeah, you was nice, huh?
No, he was.
You was?
Can you grab that at least? She needs a cheek.
You're not gonna win this fight. Stop. Stop.
Oh,
Hold her legs.
no.
Hold her legs. Stop fighting.
Oh no.
Stop fighting.
Oh no. Pendejo, madre. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Pendejo. All of you. Mama died. Mama died. Don't know what you guys were. Oh my God, Mama. Oh. Oh, grab me like a motherfucking fish. Yeah. Oh, yeah, they're arousing me so much. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, grab me so hard. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Roll over on your side, ma'am.
No,
Roll over on your side.
whatever you want me to do.
Bring your knees up to your chest.
No,
Bring your knees to your chest.
whatever you want me to do.
Getting up on 3. 1, 2, 3. Get in the car.
You want to search it first or?
Yeah, search me, baby.
Mike,
Touch me.
let's.
Touch me.
Keep on your knees.
Oh, yeah. Just grab my hair. Grab my hair. You
You have any weapons on you? Anything on you, ma'am?
grab my hair. No, nothing. Because why are you arresting me? I have nothing. You assholes. You assholes.
Stand up, ma'am.
Nope.
Stand up.
Nope. I don't.
Careful, careful. There's like, feel like hands there.
Pull your feet. Pull your
Yeah.
legs out.
Yep. That's my.
Yeah.
We're not doing good. Or not.
Were you guys fighting each other?
Just emotionally, not physically. We're from Boston. I wouldn't say we're breaking up, but I don't know. It's hard. I don't know what you want, really, honestly. But it was an emotionally charged conversation, and a spectator called the cops because we were, I don't know, she, yeah. Here.
Don't move.
Oh,
Just
sorry,
sit.
sorry,
Just
my
sit
bad.
still.
Yeah. There's my left pocket has just random stuff in it too. But she's, I don't know. I don't know how to put it. I don't really know what to say. Just, she wouldn't listen when
Were you
I
guys
told her.
fighting? Did she hit you?
Yes.
She hit you. How'd she hit you?
Just a slap,
Slap in the face?
but
Because of the argument? What was the argument over?
she cheated on me.
Okay. All right. Did you put your hands on her?
No. But I think it just got carried away. Someone called the cops. It wasn't either of us. And then she's oppositional defiant or whatever the word is. But she has like a.
This is her stuff?
Are we gonna go to the same place?
Well, no, you're going to be separate.
Well,
I mean, it's the same jail. So when the officers told you to get back, why didn't you get back?
oh, I did. I was trying to help her.
They told you to get back, and you were
No,
all up in their space.
If you ask him.
All right, I'll go talk to them. I'll find out.
If you ask him, I was telling her to comply. Ask him. Whoever the guy that was on the scene, I was telling her to comply, and that's what happened.
Well, he told you to get back. I heard that, and you weren't getting back. So
I told her to
you're at
comply
least going
with him.
you're at least going for the Halo law.
I told her to comply with him. That's all I know.
So you were when I rolled up, you were telling him to get back. Was it you?
Yeah,
and
him
he wouldn't
also,
get
yeah,
he wouldn't get back.
When I followed her, he was
Okay.
approaching.
I'll charge him with the Halo law.
I
then.
didn't touch you though.
I'm not saying you were touching.
No, it's okay.
No, when an officer says to go back, get
It's
it
okay.
back,
It's
and you don't get back,
okay.
You
I'm
go-
from a different state. I just wanted to be clear
okay.
that I didn't touch you.
yeah.
No, sir, you never touched me.
Okay,
I told you
thank
like
you.
10 times.
That's okay.
to get back.
That's
Yeah.
okay.
I
I'm
understand.
from
She's
Massachusetts.
your
I didn't
friend.
understand. That's my
But
bad.
you need to step back, all right?
Yes.
So
Are we going to the same?
you're both going to jail, but you'll be completely
same one?
separate the whole time. Completely separate. Yeah, you guys are not going back to jail. Do you have any weapons or anything in your back pockets or anything like that? All right, I'm gonna go ahead and stand you up.
Thank you.
All right, walk over to my car.
Am I allowed to
Lean
look at my
against the
phone
front of the
for
car.
numbers?
Lean against the front.
If I need a
Yeah,
number?
they'll let you go through your phone. All right, have a seat. Watch that.
Lucia's boyfriend, Cody, stated that they had both been drinking, and he found out that Lucia was cheating on him and confronted her about it. Lucia got angry and struck him in the face. Lucia was charged with battery and resist officer with violence. Cody was charged with resist/obstruct officer without violence.